This is a 2017 F82 M4. So today we are gonna go ahead and go over this car, see what's been done to it, how fast it is, and whether it's still a good car to buy in 2022 or not. So let's go over some history and stats. The M4 was originally first launched in 2014. The original car had 425 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque, but that car wasn't perfect. It was a little rushed by BMW. And BMW came up with the competition model in 2016, which they did a lot of improvements, which we are gonna talk about. They basically came up with this car. This car has 19 additional horsepower, 10 millimeters lower. It has 15% stiffer springs. It also has a revised steering and revised rear differential. It comes with some lightweight parts like lightweight seats and lightweight forged 66M 20-inch rims instead of 19s on the normal M4. But there's something very special about this car. That's the BMW Individual Golden Brown Interior. If you look at the interior, this car is actually a one-of-one combination that's currently available in Malaysia with the individual golden brown interior and the mineral gray exterior, which looks absolutely amazing. Carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel, heritage BMW logo to celebrate 50-year anniversary of BMW M. So this car is originally mineral gray, but you might be wondering what's going on with this livery. This car is the media car for the launch of the Shell V-Power campaign. The campaign is going on from 8th of October until 8th of December, and you can purchase these cars at any Shell station during that period with a minimum purchase of 50 ringgit of fuel. So go ahead, go to any Shell station that is near you and get one of these. These are pretty cool. So this car has the carbon fiber package equipped on it, which comes with the carbon fiber rear spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber side mirrors, and the carbon fiber front lip, which definitely adds a lot to the look of the car and it makes the car look amazing. This car comes with the original steel BMW brakes with the blue calipers. There are 4 pistons in the front and 2 pistons in the back, but you do have the option to get the carbon ceramic brakes with the gold calipers, but these brakes are really good for just city driving and some occasional track days. If you're really into going for track days, then you can go ahead and upgrade for the ceramic brakes.
How do you feel?
I haven't driven an M4 in a year, so I'm a bit nervous. Okay, give me the seatbelt, please. For those of you who are not subscribed to the channel, by the way, if you're not, why aren't you subscribed? It's free. I own a F30 328i. These cars must be quite similar, right? No, the M4 and the F30, F32 chassis are not the same. They feel completely different to drive. They feel like absolute night and day. The M4 is not just an overpriced 4 Series, so like some people would think. This car feels completely different to drive. The brakes feel amazing. They're way more grabby than your original brakes. The competition for this car is basically the Audi RS5 and the Mercedes C63S. This car at 1,645 kilograms, it's still 150 kilograms lighter than the RS5 and 200 kilograms lighter than the C63S. Thumbs up to BMW for being more lightweight than its competition. The M4 comes with the S55 engine, which is a twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6. This car makes 444 horsepower, and it does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.2 seconds. Right now I have the engine in efficient mode, so let's put it in sports and see if we can feel the difference. Oh yes. So immediately you hear more exhaust. For those of you who don't know this, the M4 has been my dream car for a long time. If you go back on my Instagram 4 or 5 years ago, shameless plug, you can see that I've been posting photos about this car for a long time. I had a chance to buy an M4 last year, but I decided not to. Looking back at it right now, I made the right decision. If I could have any car, I would say either this or the F90 M5. The M4 is the top of the line. This is actually an amazing moment for me to sit behind the wheel of an M4 again and think about my life decisions and where we want to take this channel. Let me know down below if you want to see more M4s on the channel, maybe my own M4. To help support that possibility, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and share my channel to your friends. Grab some car shampoos. So this car is fast. This car has more than enough power, but of course these engines can be tuned to quite high powers. With just the stage 2 tune, you can add an additional 100 horsepower to this engine, and then a step further would be, if you want to, you can turbo upgrade. With pure turbos, you can probably get this car to around 700 horsepower range, which I think would be way too fast. But I would love to experience that and see what that feels like. Everything about this car is absolutely amazing. So here are a couple of common issues that people find with their M4s. The first and the biggest issue is the crank hub. So if you have any car that has the S55 engine in it, you've got to set aside a budget for replacing your crank hub with an aftermarket version. There are two types of crank hubs. I'm gonna put some information for that down below and link to some videos maybe down below so you can check it out about the crank hub. Get your crank hub fixed and you won't have any major issues with the car. Then there are oil leaks, but it's a BMW. So after 100,000 kilometers or so, you might have some oil leaking issues, which you can easily fix. Having an oil leak isn't an uncommon issue, especially in BMWs. Just gotta deal with it. Might be your valve cover gasket, might be your valve cover. If you're gonna buy one used, make sure to check whether the previous owner has changed the valve cover gasket already or not. Make sure to check the service history, how the car has been maintained, and do ask the owner of the car whether the crank hub has been replaced or not. If it hasn't been replaced, make sure you do replace it when you get the car, because that's gonna save you a lot of money in the future. So should you buy one of these in 2022 or not? These are going at really amazing prices right now. If it's me, I would choose this over the G82 because you're getting an amazing car at such good discount. I think it's absolutely worth it. Amazing to drive. It doesn't feel dated at all. It's been a pleasure reviewing it and going for a drive with it. Make sure to check out any Shell station all over Malaysia until 8th of December. Mark your calendars. With the minimum purchase of 50 ringgit of fuel, you can get yourselves one of these, but a little smaller. Size doesn't matter, as we all know. It's how you use your M4 that matters. So I hope you liked the video. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Hey, whose car is that? Hey, wake up, man. Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Wake up. You gotta move your car.
Okay.
Yeah.
What?
Just wake up, man.
Bro, I was driving this M4 and it was
You're
fast.
playing with your toy car, you mean?
No, bro, I was behind the wheel. Yeah, but it looked exactly like this. This whole thing a dream?
Yeah.